Our body is wired, programmed to do certain things at certain time. When our behaviors are not in alignment with what our body is programmed to do, you may not you may not see the consequences right away. But over long term, it essentially compromises our physiology. We may not be able to digest our food properly, or we may not be able to control our blood sugar properly. So over days, months, or years, that can slowly show up as, for example, diabetes, obesity, metabolic disease. At the same time, our clocks in our immune system also make sure that we mount very strong immune reaction when we are supposed to see pathogens, which are mostly during daytime or in the evening. And at other time, the inflammation should subside, should go down when we are resting. So when our circadian rhythms are disrupted, then our immune system doesn't see that resting time or rejuvenation time. So we stay with chronic inflammation, and our risk for cancer and certain other diseases can go up.